Welcome to Long Haul Trailer Sales, your one-stop trailer shop for all your trailer needs and more. Located in the north end of Listowel, Ontario, our indoor showroom, workshop, and paved yard full of trailers is impossible to miss. Long Haul Trailer Sales began as the retail division of Weberlane, a name well known for Canadian-made, durable, and reliable trailers. We originally offered a wide range of dumpers, agricultural trailers, flatbeds, and enclosed cargos, and as demand grew, we expanded into the RV market. Today, RVs make up a significant part of our business, with both new and used options including motorhomes of all classes, tent trailers, fifth wheels, and more, while still continuing to offer some of our most popular Weberlane trailer models. We have trailers large and small to fit any size of vehicle or family. We have luxurious fifth wheels that feel like a home away from home, as well as compact Canadian-made trailers that can be towed by cars, vans, and SUVs. Our dealership is also a go-to for local contractors and business. If vacation is the last thing on your mind, we've got the trailer to get the job done. In addition to selling trailers of all sizes, we also offer rentals. Whether you need a motorhome for 9 or dump trailer for a weekend project, come ask our team how we can help. Beyond sales and rentals, we are a full-service center for anything trailer-related, from routine maintenance and major repairs to expert advice. Our parts desk can source parts, help schedule winterization, and assist with indoor or outdoor storage options. We invite you to stop by, check out our inventory, and see for yourself why Long Haul Trailer Sales is the best one-stop trailer shop in the area. Whether you're looking to buy, rent, or service your trailer, we invite you to come on down and check us out at Long Haul Trailer Sales in Listowel.